Hey there, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. In today's video, we'll see the most asked as well as previously asked coding questions of Accenture online assessment as well as interview preparation. Okay? And all these questions are of the level moderate to hard because recently I've uploaded a coding sheet of Accenture where the question level was not that tough, and many of you who are brilliant coders solved all questions very easily and prepared for the role. But if you have solved that sheet, it is 100% that you will crack ASE role as well as the advanced role. But this sheet is fully focused on the best or elite role that usually Accenture provides. So right now many of the candidates or most of the candidates don't got or get their online assessment link or the exam link till now. So why you are wasting time, my dear? So this sheet will help you or make your preparation all rounder so that you can crack or solve any types of questions. This sheet contains multiple types, various patterns so that you can analyze the question in your online assessment, because mostly Accenture conducts on in campus, which means you need to go inside your college and write this Accenture exam. So everything would be proctored to, and the faculties would monitoring you so that you will won't cheat. So why you want to cheat if all this cheat sheet is provided to you? So without wasting time, let's see the types of questions you can expect, because these questions we have got after numerous research on the internet and jumping in all types of website, finding all the possible questions that can be the helpful questions to solve before going to online assessment. So without wasting time, let's see the question list. Now you can see the very first question is Accenture advanced coding question sheet as an heading. So yeah, this question, as you can see, let me have a pen with me. Okay, great. The binary number system only uses two digits 0 and 1, and the number of system can be called binary string. You are required to implement the following function. So many of the people think in many sheets I usually provide the function name, but it is not specific to C++ or C, guys. You can apply this function in Python, Java, or any other languages. So this sheet is irrespective of any programming languages. Great. So the function accepts a string as its argument. The string consists of binary digit and or, so this question is and or a XOR is given to you. You need to perform the specific operations. Okay, so as you can see that input is also given and output is also given to you. So without wasting time, pause this video and solve this question, or if you have solved this question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, a function accepts two positive integer r and unit positive integer array size n, and its argument represent the number of rat present in an area. Unit is the amount of food rat each consumed. So basically why I included this question also in this sheet, because I already appended or added in the last provided sheet, but this question was mostly asked. It was frequently asked question. It may be some, here it is rat, it would be dog or elephant or giraffe. So please be thorough with it. Try to understand the concept behind this question. Okay, how you need to solve it. Now see, as you can see, the input is also given in that particular format in which you need to take the input. Great. And yeah, many of the people have doubt, do we have a function provided? Yes. Recently, I've also got a snapshot. It may be for you, it won't be provided, but I have seen some snapshots in which the function name was there, in that you need to take the input also. Okay, it is not that the input will be given to you, you need to take the input. So I think so it doesn't create some much difference. Okay, it may be the function is given, you need to write the code inside that function, or else a blank sheet or IDE would be given to you. You need to write the code from scratch in which you need to take the input as per the input format which is given to you in the exam. So please read the question carefully. Okay, so as you can see here also, I have given the C++ function name, but don't think it is just a C++ code. It is Java, Python, all types of code you can write in your Accenture exam. Okay, so yeah, these types of questions are a pretty good level of question. I would say moderate level. and if you are being in a DSA and stuff, so you can solve this question very easily if you have solved a number of problems. Okay, now great. So as you can see, the dictionary problems are also there. I will not thorough all these because these questions are big and story types of questions which are basically asked in multiple types of service-based company, not in Accenture. If you are preparing this sheet, then it is 100% that your knowledge that you have gathered from this sheet will help you to crack other service-based company also. Okay, so yeah, and if you go down a bit, you will find a number of pattern questions also. Pattern, not that star printing. Okay, it is an interview question, not an OA question. So basically, in this sheet, interview questions are also being included. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, longest substring without repeating character. This question was asked in I guess few of the online assessment of 2025 batch. I have saw one snapshot. I'm forgetting the name, but not an issue. So these types of string problem where you need to find the substring or a subsequence or increasing subsequence, because increasing subsequence question was recently asked for Infosys SP role exam for 2024 batch. Is it? So yeah. So please go thorough with these types of problems. Okay, all these problems are listed here. And you might be thinking, Aditya, you are just letting us know about the question. Where is the solution? Guys, I will create the solution if this video, in this video, you hit 200 likes and 100 comments or 50 comments. I would definitely try to create. I will definitely create. I will not try. I will definitely create the solution of each and every problem, because this problem is basically moderate to hard. So yeah, you need a solution of each and every question. So definitely I will create it for you, because if you are able to solve this question and understand all this pattern, which means you are prepared for your on-campus exam, not only for Accenture, because this sheet contains numerous type of patterns. Okay, numerous type of pattern. If you are solving solely, then definitely will find, yeah, this sheet has multiple things. And yeah, in the future, if I bring any Accenture guy, then definitely he will also tell you about the sheet, because whenever I'm creating this sheet, I usually send to those guys who are my friend or who are working in Accenture. They usually do, yeah, this sheet is pretty much good for creating it, for cracking ASE or advanced or associate software engineer role. Okay, so yeah, now, there are multiple questions. As you have seen, the three sum question also are there. A letter combination of phone number is also there. But guys, what if you got shortlisted after this round? You definitely want this offer letter. Is it you? Let's say you're shortlisted for associate software engineer role because you have solved this sheet. Now, the thing is how you can ease your interview. So yes, for this, I have a great resources for you. This is our primecoding.in website where you need to head on when you got shortlisted. Just head on to this website if you want to crack the opportunity, because many of the time people are not thorough with their representation skills. They don't know how to speak in the interview. They are very nervous. They don't know what types of question can be formed from their resume. Do that their resume is right or wrong, the format is true, right or wrong, or how you need to represent your resume. All types of questions starting from your core subjects and ending at the coding problems, everything is included on the Prime Coding website. So why you are wasting time, guys? If you got shortlisted, not only for Accenture, if you got shortlisted in TCS, for TCS we have at least 99% of success rate where people got shortlisted, and multiple feedbacks are also being listed here, and a few more being added very soon. So yeah, one payment and endless opportunity, guys, and multiple types of roles are also eligible here. There you can see Ninja, Digital, Prime, Accenture. So yeah, right now we are speaking about Accenture. We have Tech Mahindra roles also, as well as we have Infosys SP role, which is an elite role. And just click on book now and you can see the form is in front of you. Just process everything after checking background checks and all. Please guys, many of the people are uploading few other snapshots, but in our backend these data would be deleted, because we usually have a backend check in which we process all the photos. So yeah, please be thorough without doing mistake. Upload the right photographs. Is it? So yeah. Now, without wasting time, let's hop to the rest over problems that we saw. So yes, now spiral matrix questions, rotate image question. It was also asked previously in Infosys interviews. Please rotate an image by 90 degree, and you can see here also it is included 90 degree, because sometimes in AASE roles, because all these questions are focused to AASE roles. Okay, so these questions are also asked because at that time, like at 2020 or 2022 times, these questions were a trend. Please print the matrix in a spiral manner. Please do rotate the image by 90 degree and stuffs. So yeah, group of anagrams, you can see this question was personally asked from me in the interview too. I have given multiple types of interview, and I have seen this question, exact question, and I have appended or added this question in the sheet also, so that this sheet will help you to crack any company. Is it? So minimum path length, unique path, some DP searches problems are there, word search problem is also there, and find a peak ending on the binary search question. Yes. So yes guys, for getting this sheet, just head on to the subscribe button and tap on it, like this video so that you can hit 200 likes and 50 or 100 comments. Okay, and 100 comments for creating video, and for 100 likes and 50 comments I will upload this sheet on my Telegram group. So without wasting time, you can check the description or the comment section. You can find this Telegram group link where we have 8,000 plus candidates are there who are pretty much active, which will help you to crack your examinations, as well as getting guidance or any doubts you have, you can resolve there. I will be there, and many people are also there. They will help you out, guys. So without wasting time, if you want this sheet, just go to the Telegram group or head on to this particular like button and comment, share with your friends so that you can achieve this, and let me know how was the sheet you liked. And yeah, any recommendation, suggestion would be welcome in the comment section. Please go to the comment section, write anything so that you can reach to our goal, and I will create a playlist for you so that you can ace this interview. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.